So those are your keys. Congratulations.
Thank you.
Replacement, it's around like 5 to 10 bucks.
Yeah, so after...
Going to be a long ride in this traffic. This is my very first Tesla video. I have an appointment at 4:30 p.m. for picking up my brand new Tesla Model 3. We're here at Lawrence Avenue in Toronto. Came to pick up our brand new Tesla Model 3. Here's my family. Here's my wife. And it's actually color of the vehicle, like we're going to get white, but not this one.
Yes, so those are your keys. Congratulations.
Thank you.
So you get 2 pair of keys, and then that's just in case you run out of battery on your phone, because your phone is actually like your main key.
Yeah.
If you want to get like any replacement, it's around like 5 to 10 bucks.
Okay, sounds good.
Okay.
Oh, okay, so
Have a look at it first. Yeah.
Looks brand new and shiny. Yeah.
Хочу снимать еще.
Now we're trying first time autopilot. I'm not touching the steering wheel and the drive themselves. Keep distance and follow the speed, and also a steering wheel turning. I'm not braking. See? It's я не торможу. I'm not braking it. The car does.